in the bathroom. So, what I am going to do real quick is do a little normal makeup, like what I want to wear. Okay, sometimes, like on the house. So, usually I just get a normal, nice yellow. So let's put this on. Let's put the yellow one. The yellow one. So I normally wear it with like just some regular clothes. And then, okay. So I just walk around the house like this. And then I got some blush. Bouncy Dream blush. It's a rub-on. So I'm just gonna tap. And there's like a bunch on there. There we go. There's my blush. Oh, and I always sometimes put like this glitter. Definitely. I guess I'll try green. Just tap it on my eyelid. Bam. Yeah, that's my normal look. Just walk around the house like this. Okay. And I don't want a lot of makeup to see, like for people to see. What I do is, I grab my CoverGirl kit. Then I just grab that brush. And I normally just do either that or that brown. And then sometimes I may do the pink. So first I put on the dark brown, darkest brown I use. Not a lot. I don't want too much on. Then I put on the lighter. I put it a lot bit. I don't want it to be too dark. And that's it, really. I just walk around the house like this. I don't know. So that includes my tutorial.